Hello and welcome to Advances in Perspective. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2005 remake of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory and exploring why it's actually better than the original film from 1971. Are you ready to have your mind blown? Let's get started. Reason 1: Improved visual effects. The 2005 remake of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory features state-of-the-art special effects that bring Willy Wonka's world to life in a way that the original film just couldn't match. The chocolate river, the Oompa Loompas, and the incredible candy machines all look more realistic and imaginative in the remake. This level of visual detail not only adds to the overall experience of the film, but also helps to immerse the viewer in Wonka's world in a way that the original just couldn't. The visuals in the 2005 film are simply stunning, and they help to create a magical and fantastical world that is truly a feast for the eyes. From the candy-coated landscapes to the vibrant and lively characters, the visuals in the 2005 film are truly a marvel to behold. Reason 2: A stronger performance from Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp's portrayal of Willy Wonka in the 2005 remake is one of his most memorable roles. Depp's Wonka is a quirky and unpredictable character that is both hilarious and captivating. He brings a new level of depth to the character that Gene Wilder's portrayal in the original just couldn't match. Whether you're a fan of Depp or not, it's hard to deny that his performance as Wonka in the remake is one of the highlights of the film. Depp's Wonka is a true tour de force performance, and it's impossible not to be captivated by his unique and magnetic interpretation of the character. From the way he talks and moves, to the expressions on his face, Depp's performance as Wonka is a true masterpiece. Reason 3: A more accurate adaptation of the book. The 2005 remake of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a more accurate adaptation of Roald Dahl's original book. While the original film took a number of liberties with the source material, the remake stays true to the spirit of the book, making it a more authentic and enjoyable experience for fans of Dahl's work. By staying true to the source material, the 2005 film is able to capture the spirit and magic of the original book, which is what makes it such a beloved classic. Whether you're a fan of the book or not, it's impossible not to be enchanted by the 2005 film's beautiful and faithful adaptation. Reason 4: An updated soundtrack. The soundtrack of the 2005 remake of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory features a number of updated and modernized versions of the classic songs from the original film, as well as new songs written specifically for the film. This updated soundtrack not only adds a fresh and modern feel to the film, but it also helps to distinguish it from the original and make it feel like a unique experience. The soundtrack in the 2005 film is simply outstanding, and it's the perfect complement to the beautiful visuals and strong performances. Whether you're a fan of the original soundtrack or not, you're sure to be impressed by the updated and modernized sound in the 2005 film. Reason 5: A more family-friendly film. The 2005 remake of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a more family-friendly film than the original. While the original was definitely a classic and a beloved film, it was also known for being somewhat dark and frightening at times, which made it less suitable for younger viewers. The 2005 film, on the other hand, is more light-hearted and kid-friendly, making it a great choice for families to enjoy together. Additionally, the 2005 film features updated and improved family-friendly humor that will have everyone in the room laughing. From the witty one-liners to the silly physical comedy, there's something for everyone in this fun and entertaining film. So there you have it, folks. 5 reasons why the 2005 remake of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is better than the original. Whether you're a fan of the original film or not, it's hard to deny that the 2005 film is a truly magical and captivating experience that's worth checking out. And as always, thanks for watching Advances in Perspective.